In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for a Chase business credit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly browse through all the credit card options available on Chase and how to apply for a business credit card. If you want to do this process through the website and follow along through the steps I'm doing, just go over to chase.com. When you arrive at this website, switch over to business. Keep in mind that you can also browse through credit card options directly through the mobile app, but visually it is going to be different. So when you switch over to business, you will go to chase.com/business, and in here you can find business credit cards at the top. So choose business credit cards, view all business credit cards, and you will be redirected to this page. Now you can browse through all of the options that they have. As you can see, they have a lot, and I'm not going to go over too much detail about every single one. You should carefully take your time and browse through all of these. You will be able to find one that is suited for your needs, and you will be able to compare various differences here. So you have APR, annual fees, at a glance, and the main differences are going to be listed. Once you find one that satisfies your need, or if you are curious to see more, click either Apply Now or Learn More. I'm going to click Learn More to show you how this looks. If you click Learn More under any of these, you will see all of the features in detail, so you can confirm that this is the one that you want. So you can either sign in and fill out automatically a lot of information or apply as a guest. If you apply as a guest, you will go through the whole process. So you will have to include personal information such as your full name, your contact information, date of birth, tax ID type, social security number, and so on. There is a lot of stuff to go over, and because all of this contains a lot of sensitive information, I won't be able to confirm all of these details and show you the full process on screen. But all that you have to do is fill out these fields here, fill out the business info fields, read through the pricing and terms, and if you agree with the terms, you can submit and proceed. They are going to give you a response on if you are approved. I hope I was able to help you on how to apply for Chase Business Credit Card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.